Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Guns Locked. I'm Gunther the Great, and in today's video I wanted to go over a little subject of when I combed out my dreadlocks. I've actually combed out 3 dreadlocks so far. You can track all that on the Gunther the Great channel. I wanted to mention in this video how when I combed one out I found a bunch of buildup. I think it was just due to shampoo drying up, and I kind of talk about it a little bit in this video and you'll see it. Comb through all of the single congos, and those are the curls right there, but I was combing through everything and I'm like finding all this stuff in my hair. So yeah, there was a bunch of buildup in my hair, and I'm sure it's just from shampoo drying up. I think this is perfectly normal. If you are going to comb out your dreadlocks, you're going to find something in your hair. One thing that I have been finding a lot lately is a bunch of lint. I know other people have found mold in their hair, and that's just from not allowing your hair to dry properly. That's why I always encourage you to blow dry your hair, especially if your hair is thick. But there's so much you can find in your dreadlocks, and I didn't really expect this. But it does make sense. If you don't wash out your shampoo completely, which with dreadlocks it does become hard to actually wash it all out. Washing your hair is one of the toughest things because it's hard to wash out all the shampoo. But yeah, I'm just trying to get all that stuff out. But look how much is out right now. It's my hair. When I elongate it, look how long it goes. But it goes all the way up. Boop. Spring loaded. But yeah, halfway done with this dread. Almost done. And it's getting easier since I'm getting closer to the root, so it's a good thing. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys this video because I thought it was really interesting finding these things inside of my dreadlock. If you guys haven't seen the videos of me combing out my dreadlocks, I'll leave links to those in the description. Make sure to go check them out. Go show it some love. And I may be in the process of combing out all of my dreadlocks. Right now I'm just combing out the congos just because congos are weighty on my scalp and I don't want that much tension on my scalp anymore, especially with the dreads getting longer. But if you haven't already, go subscribe to Gunther the Great, and also go check out the videos of me combing out my dreads like I said. But you guys hopefully enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Other than that, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.